Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you live that whether these windows well cover protect you at the time of intense raining or avoiding flooding in your basement. So see, this cover I have installed polycarbonate, very good material. Okay, and right now it has been raining since morning and it's gonna continue for next several hours, even tomorrow. So more than 24 hours of raining, 20 millimeters of rain in a single day. So it's a very rainy day we are going through. See the amount of water that is coming from my neighbor's downspout, and see the accumulation here. But see here, it has completely protected my basement windows where water is falling on this, but because of the slope it's going all the way ahead, nothing is backing up. So it's a really uh, good way to protect, because it's avoiding entrance of direct water into the well and then seeping through your window, depending upon again it depends on other things also, but in many cases it is helping. No doubt it is helping because water is finding its way out, not in. Okay guys, so yes, it does help, no doubt. And I can say with this, because I haven't got any complaint of flooding or something, water entering, I don't see. I wish I could convince my neighbor to move it far, but looks like I was not able to. But one more thing I have done, I'm going to show you. See, I have used elongated downspout and I have moved them far away from my house, like around 8 to 10 meters. I have moved them far, and see the flow of water. It's coming really fast and just going all the way out, and it's going this side towards the street, not towards my home. So this really helps. So with these things, you do better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.